Our newly engineered loading system features automatic sheet positioning with close loop control, ensuring precise material alignment into the 75mm pop-up pins. This video shows the system loading and positioning a 6-meter sheet of 32mm MDF, weighing over 300 kilograms. The specially designed dust hood in red cleans the tabletop while loading the material and incorporates a pneumatic-driven unloading arm, ensuring the process sheet is completely and reliably pushed clear of the machine bed upon completion. This project highlights Multi-Cam Systems' engineering capability to deliver innovative purpose-built solutions for manufacturers.